Understanding the alimentary canal and associated organs. Did you ever wonder how your body turns a cheeseburger into energy? Let's dive into the amazing world of digestion. Last time, we explored the human alimentary canal, that incredible tube where the magic happens. Now, let's uncover the sidekicks, the organs that play vital roles in digestion. First up, our trusty teeth. They're the unsung heroes of eating. We have 4 types: incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars for crushing, and molars for grinding. Next, meet the tongue, the ultimate multitasker. It helps us chew, swallow, and even taste every delicious bite. Then, we have salivary glands, our moisture factories. 3 pairs produce saliva, keeping our food moist and tasty. Let's not forget the liver, the largest gland in your body. It produces bile to break down those fatty fries you love. Right below the liver is the gallbladder, storing all that bile. And don't miss the pancreas, our secret weapon. It creates enzymes that help us digest proteins, carbs, and fats. Now, let's talk about swallowing, which starts as a fun game and ends up being automatic. Your tongue pushes the food back, soft palate closes off nasal passage, and voila! Then, the larynx rises, and epiglottis closes off your windpipe to prevent choking. Once we swallow, it's time for peristalsis, our digestive dance. Muscles work together to push food through your digestive tract, ensuring every bite is processed. So, remember, these organs are essential for smooth digestion and a happy tummy.